In this video, we're going to look at the file analysis and repair tool built into GrabCAD Print. I've brought in my screwdriver assembly file, and looking in the project window, one of my bodies has a red exclamation point indicating a detected error. Also, on the right side, the Analysis Mode tab has highlighted red, indicating that at least one error has been detected on the active build tray. If we click on that Analysis Mode tab, you'll see that the part with no detected error is highlighted in green, and any body that has a detected error is highlighted in red. Let's start by clicking on the Get Error Details. If we zoom in on the affected body, we can see some triangles have been highlighted pink. This is indicating that self-intersections are present on this body. GrabCAD is also able to detect open faces and inverted normals. Let's go ahead and run the repair. And GrabCAD was able to successfully repair the models without the need for a secondary program. If we go back to the main view, the exclamation point is now gone from our project window, and the Analysis Mode tab has returned to black, meaning that we are ready to print.